Hello everyone, I've initiated a short position in AU Small Finance Bank today. Though it is a Thursday, the market would be a bit choppy today because Thursdays are for expiries, and the price at which I have started this trade is about 1136. We have taken a 15 quantity short position, and the point at which I need to look to add this more is below 1135 over here. So this is what I'm waiting for it to go below, because if we look at the daily chart has taken a severe beating in the past about a month, and then this is pulling back to the average. Now it could, if it breaks this 1135 area, it would be breaking the low of today as it is, and yesterday also. So 1135, 1132, that sort of a range. So below that I'll be looking to add more. The first position I'll add is below 1135, and if it does not move past that, then I'll wait and watch. It's 9:55 and AU Bank seems to be moving towards the downside again. So I've added just a little bit below 1138. I've added 15 more quantity. Let's check the order book. Yeah, that's executed, and now I'm 30 quantity short with an average price of 1136. The price currently trading at 1137. The more it continues to the downside, the more I'll keep on adding. And the main addition that I'd like to do, as I discussed before, is below 1135 and 1132 to be exact. Let's see what happens. It's about 10:15 and AU Bank has moved very quickly towards the opposite side on the upside. It's right now at 1156, and what I'm trying to do now is because the position has gone against me, I'll be looking to exit with the minimum loss possible and see what happens in the next 2-3 candles, whether this up move sustains or it pushes back down again. I'll see, and I'll update you as soon as I take any action. It's 11:10 and this is the final update for the today. Now price had moved all the way from 1140 to 1160, 61, and then had lost all that gain till about 1050. So market is a very choppy position today, and Nifty is also kind of a volatile scenario, but the whole position has been closed now. So I have closed the position with a loss of 480, and what I'd like to say specifically is that if you are new to trading, or I have not been doing this for a very long time, you should always have a stop loss in place, right? The stop loss for this position today, for me, for any general person, could have been at around 1146. That was the high for today, but I do not place a stop loss because I do not take how should I explain this, the whole quantity at the same time. The kind of risk management that is inbuilt into my position sizing is that, say today I had to take a short position of 75 quantity on AU Bank, right? So I won't never go in, and as you see in all my videos, never go in with all the quantity that I have to take and can take at once. I always layer it up, so it's in 3 chunks or 4 chunks. So I began with 15, I added 15 more. So that way what happens is that in the initial position of the trade, when you don't know what is going to happen with the trade, you have the luxury of giving it a bit more room. So if it goes against you, it's going against you with a smaller position size, and if it goes towards your intended direction, then it is when you are adding your quantity and increasing your position, thereby quickly increasing your profits. So it's not that there is no risk management involved in my trading, but it is not for everyone or who is not comfortable for. So people who always take all the quantity they can buy, or do not do any kind of a pyramiding or layering of their position sizing, should always have a strict stop loss in place. And that could have been today's first candle high at 1146 for this particular example. So because price pulled back over here, so I was able to get out at this loss of about 480. So that is like an average value what I gain in a day, 300 to 400. So I can easily lose that on a loss making day. But say if the price had moved again much more higher than this, then it would have been much worse. So my protection is my position sizing, and in case you do not layer or position size like that, you should always have a strict stop loss. And it may, because the whole gain of this one candle has been lost in half an hour. So I still feel, because the daily trend is on the downside, that this will push towards the downside sooner or later, but it's already 11:10 now, so we can't be sitting all day doing this. So let's see what happens during the day, but this is the final update for this trade, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye bye.